dream. When survival fades away, meaning rises in between. The cloud begins to loosen, the pressure starts to fall, and something new awakens beyond the factory wall. After work care, we begin to create, not living just to eat, but shaping what we make. After work care, a new imagination. Dreaming has become the engine of a nation. Work once built the world, now vision lights the way. No longer labor, but the imagination becomes the economy. No longer labor, but the imagination becomes the economy. Machines, machines.